Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Gunjan Chopra and today I'm going to show you a simple day-to-day eye makeup which we can wear in any day or any simple occasion. I already have done one eye to show you the difference. Here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25, which is medium, on the entire eyelid to make a base and to cover any discoloration. Then I'm using a loose powder on it to avoid any crease. Here I'm using Faces Canada Ultime Pro Kajal pencil and applying it to line just near the eyelash line. You don't need to be precise because I'm going to smudge it anyways. The pencil has its own smudger at the other side that I'm using to smudge and blend the line. As you can see, I'm not going too high with the smudge. Just be near the lash line and smudge properly to avoid any harsh line. Now I'm doing the same thing on the lower lash line. Just make sure to cover the entire line till the inner and outer corner of the eye. Blend, blend and blend. Just blend till you get a little of a smoky effect. Now here I'm using a separate smudge brush which is a little smoother than the pencils to blend it even more. The brush is from pack number 388. Now I'm applying a black eyeshadow with that same smudge brush on the top of the kajal so as to avoid any crease or any bleeding of the kajal. Now with that same kajal pencil, I'm tight lining the upper inside of the eye to give it a more sultry look. The same I'm doing on the waterline of the eye. Just make sure to cover the inner corner and the outer corner too. Just smudging even more to avoid any harsh line. Now I'm using an eyelash curler to curl them and then applying Maybelline Sensational mascara. I'm also applying the mascara on the lower lashes to open the eyes even more. For this look, I'm working more on the mascara and not using any false eyelashes to avoid any drama, since here the motive is to do the look for day to day. But if you like it, you may use a very natural looking falsie. I personally do it only with a good mascara and avoid any eyelashes, false eyelashes. Now I'm using a highlighter under the brow bone to lift the appearance of the eye. The kit I'm using is from Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Rose Gold, and highlighter using is a beautiful champagne gold color. Also, I'm using this highlighter on the inner corner of the eye to make them look a little wider. the eye makeup is complete. And if you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.